Hello crafty folks, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I got a new sewing machine. So this is a Singer Heavy Duty 4452. I bought this directly off the Singer website. The other sewing machines that I have before are Brother sewing machines. I've heard that this one is super good at buttonholes and it's not computerized at all. So this is the kind of machine that if I wanted to, I could learn how to like take it fully apart and, you know, clean and oil it and put it fully back together because it's 100% mechanical. These are not my sewing scissors, just so you know. These are garbage scissors. I'm gonna have to put this on the floor to grab the machine out of it. Okay, so there is a little bag of stuff. There's some needles, which is awesome. There is this thing, which is where I will put the spool of thread onto. So that goes on the machine. There are a bunch of different feet in here and some tools. So I'm gonna have to go through and make sure to keep these separate from all my other stuff because all my other stuff fits my Brother machines. All the Brother machines are pretty much interchangeable, so these would be specific to the Singer brand. So there's that. Okay, so this is a heavy duty machine, so it weighs, you know, I think the packaging said it weighed like 15 pounds, 18 pounds or something like that. So I'm saving the box in case when we move, it'd be great to just be able to put my sewing machine back in its original box. Okay, so it's really cute, first of all. So let's see. Here's my foot pedal. Okay, and then I'm going to take this paper out from under the foot. Let's see, there we go. Okay, so since this machine is a little different, like my Brother sewing machines, this little doodad here that lifts the presser foot, it goes to the side. This one goes to the back, so that's a little different. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, so it's already got a needle in there. Oh, there we go. So there's a little lever that's black, and you just pull it to the right, and you can take the bobbin out. Okay, so since we're doing like the full unboxing and setting up, I'm going to show you guys how to wind a bobbin with this machine because I don't know how yet, so we're going to figure it out together. Okay, so we're going to plug this in to the back of the machine, then plug it into the wall. Now we're going to turn the machine on. Good. There's a light. Excellent. I don't know of any sewing machines that don't have lights, but they might exist. Okay, so I'm going to grab some thread. All right, so I'm just going to follow the instructions. On the top, it looks like the spool goes here. And then there's a little, it says number 1, and you just slide the thread through there. Then number 2 is right here. And then there's a little It's a little like tension disc, I guess, winding the bobbin. So just put all that in there correctly. Then I'm going to take the bobbin. Let's see if I can get you guys a better angle on it. Take the bobbin and just slide it back towards that little white thing. All right, and then I'm going to push the foot pedal and hopefully the bobbin will start winding. All right, I'm not going to worry about getting it super duper duper full. Okay, so now I'm going to take the thread here. There's a little thread cutter on the end, and I'm just going to snip off. There's a little tail from where I started winding it. And I'm going to put this in here, drop that in the bottom, and then pull it through the little tensioner too. I'm just going to make sure I've followed the directions correctly here. Looks like it. Directions are on the little clear plate here. Okay, so we'll see if this works correctly. I'm going to take the top thread, and again, I'm just going to follow the instructions. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it tells you exactly where to go. There's some plastic. Okay. And then let's see, we come down, it goes through this little plate. Pull down the little threader doohickey and pull that through. Now on my Brother machines, I just start sewing and the lower thread pulls through, but on this machine it doesn't look like it has that capability. So I'm going to hold this thread back here from the top, and I'm going to turn the crank towards me, and hopefully it will pick up that lower thread. It looks like it's doing it. Okay, so I see it. Don't accidentally stab yourself with your machine. The little tail is sticking out, but it's quite short here. I'm just gonna see if I can put a little piece of fabric through it, and if that will just pull the tail through. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to rethread it. So I'm just grabbing a little scrap of fabric, and we're just gonna see what we've got here. So I've got it on a straight stitch. I'm gonna go with a 3 for the width. Doesn't look like it gives me a length. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Go with a 3 for the length, just to try it out here. Here we go. Okay, so the machine feels very sturdy. It's a very nice machine. It sounds very different from my Brother sewing machines, so that's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but I really like it. It looks like the stitching looks really nice. So I just did some white stitching on some black scraps of fabric that I had lying around. I don't know that you can see that very well, but the stitching looks really great. It seems to run really smooth. So this has got, I don't remember how many it said it has, but it has a buttonhole, it has a straight stitch, it has a zigzag stitch. Those are pretty much all that I use. I use the straight stitch on things that don't have any stretch, and then I use the zigzag stitch on stretchy fabrics to make like leggings and stuff like that. So that's how to unbox and set up the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.